Welcome back to Comfy Boost, a place to get your weekly dose of wellness, beauty and comfort tips and tricks and challenges to apply straight in your busy schedules.
Okay, now let's go straight to the recipes. In this video we're going to show you how to prepare a mojito, virgin mojito.
For this recipe you will need 8 mint leaves, glass of crushed ice, half a glass of lemonade or soda water, quarter of a glass apple juice, 1 teaspoon brown sugar and 1 lime.
Okay, let's get to preparing the mojito. First, mash the brown sugar with 4 mint leaves and add a little apple juice as you mash. Second, add rest of the apple juice, lemonade or soda water, 4 sprigs of mint and half the lime juice. And last, add ice and mix together. You can garnish this drink with fresh mint or lime. We really hope that you enjoyed our video on peppermint recipes. And if you did, give us a thumbs up. If you tried any of our recipes, please comment below. Also, if you have found any really cool adjustments to the recipes, let us know. And if you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for new lifestyle tips and tricks.
Thank you for watching and see you next week. Bye!
Ciao!